Hi, Elegance YouTube viewers, look at this fantastic blue sky. Tomorrow is Christmas Day and we are in the southwest of France. I think it's like 10, 15 degrees.
Yep.
I'm with the fantastic Julie Hill. You may recognize Julie because we filmed quite a few properties in the past years, and one this year that was absolutely gorgeous.
So we are situated in Charente-Maritime and just 12 kilometers from the celebrated town of Cognac.
I can see the vineyards of Cognac, 100, 200 meters away from
We're surrounded.
From here. And 12 kilometers from Cognac means you can enjoy the fantastic restaurants, the great festival like the Cognac Blues Festival. You have fantastic world-known stars going there.
Beginning of July.
So we are in a fantastic area, 1 hour from the ocean side, I would say.
Yes, less than an hour.
The Atlantic coast is one of the most beautiful you can find in the world. The diversity, the landscape sceneries, you have La Rochelle, Saint-Palais-sur-Mer, Royan, and all the way down to the land. So the whole coastline is just amazing. You can't get bored there.
So we are 7 kilometers to the town of Matter, where there's 3 supermarkets, a cinema, swimming pool. You're about 20 minutes from Saint-Jean-d'Angely, which is another fantastic town with a fantastic market on a Saturday morning.
I love it. The market, beautiful.
Yeah, and then
great restaurants.
Yeah, and Sant is only half an hour away as well. So you're really in a fantastic triangle with a good option of lots of different towns all around. So the house sits on a plot of 3,600 square meters. It's flat, it is all grassed, and you have a lovely terrace in front of the property. The property is south-facing, so you'll have the sunshine all day long in the property. It's very luminous inside.
I think the land in front of the house is also part of it.
Yes,
so you've got both
parking and everything at the front.
As we arrive in front of the house, I saw a carport on the right side.
For 2 cars, and you also have a large dependence on the right-hand side, which you can use as a workshop. You can use it to park a car if you want to. There's lots of different options with this property for sure.
How much square meters approximately for the total of the house inside?
The house is 235 square meters, and the dependence here is 100 square meters, and the carport is 50 square meters, thereabout.
I see a gate, this really nice wall. It's all enclosed. Basically, it's secured. If you have children, there's a playground area here, which is beautiful with wood house pilotis.
The whole of the garden is enclosed. You have a gate, a double gate that you can use for entering a car if you want to.
We have double glazing everywhere.
Yes, a very high level, high grade of double glazing as well throughout the property. You've got aluminium shutters as well, so they will never need painting. All of that has been done in the last 2 to 3 years.
The DPE, which is, we have a diagnostic in France that really basically protects you and gives you the energy efficiency of a house. So it's rating from F, G to A, and this one is really well rated at C. It's excellent for an old house. Air conditioning, DC inverter. Cooling, warming.
Cold, cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And each room has its own individual unit.
Every single room, even the playing room.
With a remote control, so everything can be controlled very, very easily. And you also have recently installed solar panels on the dependence roof, which means overall each year the property costs about €130 a month for all the electricity, which includes all the heating and everything
TV,
for the property, television, lighting, which for this size property is absolutely incredible.
On top of that, for the cozy atmosphere, you've got 2 big wood burners. One is working at the time we are speaking. I saw the system, and the tubes, they go on each side of the house, which means you don't need to heat the upper levels. They are heated by the tubes, in fact. On the ground floor, the lounge is on the right side, next to the outbuilding here, the dependence. Then there's the main entrance that goes all the way through on both sides.
A large kitchen which is all fully fitted and will stay with the property. And then you have a very large laundry storage area, which is just fantastic. It's just got so much room in there. There's a downstairs shower room, modern shower room and toilet.
On the upper floor, how many bedrooms?
So we have 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms, the largest bedroom on the right-hand side, has its own suite. So it has a dressing room and it has its own shower room with toilet. And then we have a further 3 bedrooms which share one very large bathroom that has a bath and a shower in it, plus a toilet. You've got all the beautiful original beams, so you can see all of those in each bedroom. And where there are Velux windows, they have a rain sensor on them. So if you've accidentally left them open and it starts raining, they will shut. It also has a remote control for shutting the shutter at night as well. So if you sleep in a bedroom with a Velux, you can just shut the shutter at night and it keeps you nice and dark in the bedroom.
I think this house really ticks all the boxes.
Yes.
Honestly, first, you'll see on the website, because as prices are subject to change, we never mention them.
Yes.
But it's really, really a good price for such a large, immaculate house.
Yes.
In terms of budget, I was even impressed when we spoke about it. I was like, really?
Yes.
Are you kidding me? Because the house is, there's nothing to do. I mean, it's so renovated.
The house is immaculately presented. When I first came to look at the property, it's always such a pleasure when you walk into a property and you see everything is finished beautifully. Yeah. It's a really lovely property.
Neat. Super neat.
It's very good. And not just the way the property looks, but the technical value of the property is immaculate as well. So there's no anomalies on the electricity. It has a really fantastic, economical heating system, a septic tank that conforms. It's a good global property. I think I'd like to say that it's quite rare that you find a property where the vendors have developed and renovated a property thinking of every single option and always using the best materials they could possibly use. So from the heating system to the windows that have been installed, the aluminium doors, aluminium shutters, the Veluxes that shut automatically if it starts raining, The vendors have really used their opportunity to renovate this property to create something very special and sometimes rare actually in this area. So it's an immaculate presentation of a property, and it's always a pleasure to make a viewing here actually. In the comments you'll find the link to the property, you'll find the link for the 360, and if you've got any further questions on the property or would like to organise a visit, please don't hesitate to contact us through the link.
I think it's time for some lunch. I hesitate. Cognac or the ocean side?
Yeah.
Oysters maybe in La Tremblade, I don't know.
Yeah, make the most of this fantastic weather.
Okay, so see you soon in another episode of our property tours. Bye bye.
Thank you, Cyril. Bye.